Stiction is a big problem for all engines, especially as engines have evolved over the last couple of years, because now there's tighter tolerances, there's more pressure and more heat than ever, and that puts a big strain on the engine's oil. As engine oil is put under this stress, it begins to break down, oxidize, and leave behind sticky, burnt carbon deposits on key engine components. This leads to poor performance, like lower fuel economy, less power, rough idle, mechanical failures. You add Stiction Eliminator at your next oil change to safely dissolve away all the deposits and stiction buildup inside your engine by using a proprietary synthetic cleaner. Not only does it clean and remove the burnt oil, but it also lubricates with a carbon nano lubricant and 3 proprietary synthetic lubricants to reduce friction. And this results in 62% less wear when compared to engine oil alone. Add it all up, and you're going to get reduced engine wear, smooth idle, better fuel economy, and improved reliability. Restore performance with Hot Shot's secret, Stiction Eliminator.
This tech tip is brought to you by Hot Shot's Secret, powered by science.